Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. This is a Lenovo laptop, Lenovo IdeaPad 111igl05 model, and this laptop have installed Windows legacy boot. You can see, and here is the no drivers, and not working the mouse pad, not working Wi-Fi, anything is not working. So you can see here settings, and see all the drivers is not working. So this is problem. This laptop is have to install UEFI boot. So how can you download UEFI boot and make a bootable driver? USB drive. Download any internet browser to your laptop, and here media creation tools. Download this software. For UEFI boot Windows, you have to download from the net. Go to the download, and you need a 16 GB USB flash drive. Okay, you have to download this. After download, you have to open this and wait. And you can see like this option, accept. And see guys, here is the upgrade this PC and create the installation media USB flash drive, DVD or ISO file. So I have to down option, create installation media, and next. And here you can choose the language, what language you want. Okay, any language. And here is the both 64-bit or 32-bit or both. You can make 64-bit or Windows 10. And then next, and you can see here is the USB flash drive, and here is the ISO file. You can download this. You can make the DVD later, or you have the USB like this. I have a USB drive, and I need a USB drive 8 GB. Then you have to next, and this is the USB disk, and then next, and then it will be download from net and make a bootable device to your USB. So now I have already a USB drive, make it UEFI Windows. So I will format now, and see guys, now is processing. You can see I have a USB drive 16 GB. It will be delete all, and it will be make processing. Okay guys, you can see after I make the bootable USB, I have to go to BIOS. Press shift and F2, and you can go BIOS. I show you how to go BIOS. Press shift with F2, and you can see your BIOS here, and go to the boot, and you can see here is the legacy support. If you have the legacy support, you just press the UEFI boot support and go down, make the USB boot is first boot, and then go to the exit, saves changing, and then yes, and now it will be boot. Now this loading Windows, and guys, you see before the mousepad is not working, and on the UEFI boot is working mousepad, and you can see here is the language English, and press next, install. So if you install the legacy boot Windows on this laptop, latest BIOS UEFI boot, all the new laptop, if you use the legacy Windows, it will not working the mousepad and other option. So I don't have product key, so I will go to the Windows Home and next, and I accept the license team and next, and go to the custom install Windows only advanced. I don't know you can see or not, and you can see here is the partition, so I have to delete all the partition there. So if you change the legacy to UEFI boot, you have to copy all the files from your hard drive, because you have to delete all the partition to make the new Windows. So I make the new. So here is 128 GB. So I have no scope for the make external another partition for data, so I make only Windows. So apply. Okay, you can see here is the done, and go to the next. And now I'm installing Windows. After install, so guys, you can see here is the 5 minute is 96.7% complete. So 10 minute will be installed Windows on this system. So guys, after install Windows, you can see is again boot loading. So you have to go to BIOS and change the boot settings. So I restart. And press Shift and F2. Have to go to boot, and you can see here is the Windows Boot Manager. And first I have to shift a memory in the first boot. So press F6, it will go first boot. Okay, and then save change exit. And see guys, now is loading Windows. It is done, I hope. Okay,
your Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC.
So guys, here is select language is United States, and then USA. Yes, skip this option, or you can add another keyboard. And without connect the Wi-Fi. Okay, and continue with limit setup. And here you can type the username. I type Golden Nanotech and enter. If you want password, you can create the password. If don't want password, without password, press next. And then here accept and accept. Now we'll open, just wait. Okay guys, you can see it's almost done, and open the Windows, and it's the desktop. So how can you make a small size on this icon? Just go to search bar, this small icon. Here's the search bar, and click the right click and personalize. Okay guys, after you go to the themes and make this big size, and go to the desktop icon settings and check this all. Okay, control panel, network, computer, and username. You can see all is done. And here is the Microsoft Edge. So guys, you can see this way you can format your laptop, Lenovo or any other laptop. If after install do not work the mouse pad and internet and everything, you see before this not working, Wi-Fi or another, and now working everything. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video. Thank you. You see some drivers is not installed, you just connect the Wi-Fi. After that you can see this automatic update. Okay guys, you can see all the drivers is updated. When you connect to the Wi-Fi, it will be updated automatically. And see, this laptop is perfect, done. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video. Thank you.